German Gyan, my name is Gyan, and guys, today German Gyan team wishes you a very happy Independence Day. So in this video, we're gonna cover, of course, the topic will be about Independence Day, but in this video, we're gonna cover not only independence but independence by education. So in this video, you will be learning the same exactly in German language. I hope you're gonna love it. In case you are looking forward to learn German language, then German Gyan is a one-stop solution where you can learn all the levels, even to C2, teacher training program, exam preparation, brush up class and whatnot. So why to waste time? Let's start this video and celebrate Independence Day together. Let's go it.
Freedom through education, not just independence. On 15th August 1947, India became an independent nation. Because of that freedom, today we have the right to study, choose our profession, start businesses, and build the life we want. Millions of people sacrificed everything so that future generations could have these opportunities. Their struggle was not just about removing foreign rule, it was about giving every Indian the chance to dream big. Today, it's our responsibility to make the most out of that freedom. But is independence enough today? Even though we are politically free, many students still feel restricted. Some struggle to find good colleges, others face limited job opportunities. Many dream of studying abroad but don't know where to begin. Sometimes the biggest barrier isn't talent, it's access, skills, or language. So the question is, how can we create more opportunities for ourselves in today's global world? Education creates new freedom. Education is one of the greatest forms of freedom. When you learn new skills, you gain confidence. When you learn new languages, you can communicate with people around the world. Education gives you choices. It allows you to study internationally, work globally, and compete with people from different countries. In today's world, knowledge creates opportunities. Why should I learn German? Because German is one of the most widely spoken languages in Europe. It is spoken not only in Germany but also in Austria, Switzerland, Luxembourg, and Liechtenstein. Germany has one of the world's strongest economies and offers excellent opportunities in education, research, and employment. Learning German is not just about speaking another language. It's about connecting yourself to one of the biggest opportunities in Europe. Germany, land of opportunities. Germany is known for much more than beautiful cities. It is famous for world-class universities, advanced technology, global companies, and excellent career opportunities. Students from all over the world choose Germany because of its high quality education and strong job market. Whether you are interested in engineering, business, healthcare, IT, science, or many other fields, Germany has opportunities waiting for skilled professionals. German gives you global freedom. Learning German can completely change your future. It can help you study at internationally recognized universities. It can increase your chances of finding better jobs. It allows you to communicate with German companies and employers. Most importantly, it gives you more choices in life. Freedom today is not just about traveling to another country. Real freedom is having the ability to choose where you want to study, where you want to work, and how you want to build your future. One common myth is that Germany is only for engineers. But that's simply not true. Students from commerce, management, healthcare, hospitality, design, arts, science, and many other backgrounds are also building successful careers in Germany. If you have the right qualification, the right skills, and the willingness to learn, there are opportunities for everyone. Don't let your degree limit your dreams. Learning German is about much more than grammar and vocabulary. It improves your communication skills. It builds confidence. It helps you understand a new culture. It prepares you to work in international teams. And most importantly, it changes your mindset. Every new language you learn opens a new way of thinking. So, what can the German language actually unlock? It can help you pursue higher education. It can improve your career opportunities. It can increase your earning potential. It can help you build an international professional network. And it can give you experiences that stay with you for a lifetime. A language is not just a subject, it is a key that opens new doors. Many students wait for the perfect moment, but the perfect moment rarely comes. Every expert was once a beginner. Every fluent speaker started with their first German word. So, don't worry about how far you have to go. Focus on taking the first step today. Small efforts every day create big opportunities tomorrow. As we celebrate Independence Day, let's remember something important. Our freedom fighters gave us the freedom to make our own choices. Now, it's our responsibility to use that freedom wisely. Learning German won't replace the meaning of independence, but education and skills can give you the freedom to build a global career, study abroad, and create opportunities beyond borders. So, this Independence Day, make one promise to yourself: keep learning, keep growing, and never stop believing in your potential. Happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
Guys, how was this video? I hope you enjoyed. I hope you loved it. Thank you so much for showering lots of love to all the videos. I hope you're also celebrating this Independence Day, and we wish you a very, very, very best wishes to all of you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Take care, and we'll catch you in the next video. Children, keep learning German with German Gyan. Take care. Cheers.